Hey, this is Jake with the Roof Tube. Today we're working with 5500 from Lucas. It's really hot up here today. These panels are probably 120 degrees. So I have on my .47 tip, which we normally use for fasteners, but it's so hot today that this material is working almost like a less viscous butter grade. So I'm going to show you the technique that we use with this product. I've got a full draw, well, probably 3/4 of a draw because I've been working with it. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of pressure in my right hand. I'm going to miss these wet fasteners. All right, today we're working with Lucas, and we've got a draw here. We're going to use our .47 tip. We drew the material up without putting the tip in, and we're going to go ahead. We're doing some roof repair here on a metal roof. That finger tight. Got our .47, and go ahead and get the material at the tip kind of straight, and use this angle to our advantage. Space here, and my tube is almost straight up and down. And it's so hot today that the material is actually running out. I have my 2 fingers and I just put a little bit of pressure down and then I watch this space until I see material squeeze out right there, and then I know I got enough, and then I move to the next one.